guys? Welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about best ways to make money blogging for beginners. So make sure to watch the full video. However, there is nothing wrong with making some extra money through blogging, and several simple methods exist for getting the ball rolling. It should go without saying that in order to make money with a blog, it's best to start by choosing a profitable niche market. Something where there is a proven marketplace that intersects with your own passions, interests, and expertise. Once you've done that, it's just a matter of getting website traffic, building your email subscriber list, and making money online. Let's take a look at some of the fastest, easiest, and most profitable ways you can make money online with a blog. 1. Google AdSense. Google AdSense might be the fastest and easiest way for a beginner to start earning passive income with a blog. The basic idea behind AdSense is that you can display Google ads on your website, and when a visitor clicks on those ads, you get a percentage of the ad costs. You've certainly seen ads on other people's websites. You can have these ads appear on your blog or website as well. AdSense is a contextual advertising network that places partner, business, ads on your website. It's easy to set up. All you have to do is copy and paste some code given to you from Google in the places you'd like the ads to appear on your website. Google will then show ads from advertisers that are a match to the content on your website, so that ideally your website visitors see relevant ads. Don't worry that your blog niche won't be able to draw quality ads to your site. Google AdSense is one of the biggest networks on the web, so you should get a healthy enough list of clickable sites to attract your readership. And Google is smart enough to only show ads on your website that are relevant to the content on your website. So in many cases, this can enhance the user experience on your site, and the ads can be helpful. Just make sure your content is of the highest quality. Though AdSense is a popular option, I think that affiliate information marketing is also an excellent way to make virtually passive income online. 2. Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is the long-established in-house affiliate program run by Seattle-based Amazon.com, the biggest online retailer in the world today. It offers bloggers the chance to earn commissions by advertising Amazon products on your website, provided visitors click through from your blog to Amazon.com and make a purchase. The basic idea with Amazon Associates is that you can get a tracking link that is unique to you that links to any product sold on Amazon.com. If someone clicks on the link on your blog and goes back to Amazon and purchases the item, you are credited with the sale. There are many ways you can promote Amazon products on your website. You could include a product catalog pulled from Amazon.com. On your blog, you can write product reviews and link to the products you recommend on Amazon, and you can have a recommended resources page on your website, just to name a few. The one caveat about Associates is that it probably suits bloggers who write about merchandising, retail products, and shopping a fair bit. Logically, it will help your performance if visitors arrive at your website already predisposed to buying. The program works by getting Amazon links, banners, or widgets, e.g., slideshows, my favorites, wish list widget, onto your pages. 3. Affiliate marketing for digital products. As I mentioned above, one of my favorite ways to make money on the internet is by promoting digital information products as an affiliate. Just like Amazon.com is a marketplace of physical goods sold on the internet, there are also marketplaces of digital products sold on the internet as well. One of the most popular digital product marketplaces is ClickBank.com. You can search the ClickBank marketplace for products related to your marketplace and promote them on your website, write product reviews, etc. Just like with Amazon, if someone clicks on the link and goes back and buys the product you are promoting, you would get a commission for a percentage of the sale. 4. Create ebooks and information products. Regular blogging is the ideal training ground for creating ebooks, still one of the most popular forms of information products being sold by online entrepreneurs today. Consider your blogs as free information that you offer to readers to demonstrate your expertise. With time, they become your fans and are ready for more in-depth material. This is your opportunity to make money by presenting your ebooks for sale alongside your free blog. Just make sure that the ebook builds on your blog output. Don't simply rehash what they have already seen. After all, these people are now paying customers and will get upset with old information. Later on, as you become more established and your archive material becomes more extensive, you can poll your readers to learn what topics they'd be interested in learning more about and interested in purchasing. Again, you can sell an ebook for a much higher price than a regular book and benefit from a much higher profit margin. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.